Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be downloading the NOOBS OS onto the Raspberry Pi. If you didn't watch my last video, watch that, because to get an idea of what the Raspberry Pi is. Now, like I said in the last video, the Raspberry Pi uses an SD card, a micro SD card, instead of a hard disk. So we have to download the OS by ourselves onto the SD card. The things that you'll need for this video is some kind of adapter so you can plug it in into your PC or laptop. But some computers do support micro SD cards. But most of them I don't think they don't. So you should find a pretty cheap one of these adapters, and and the reason we're gonna download the NOOBS OS is because we don't have to download any big OS files from the internet. We just have to download the small NOOBS OS instead of downloading like a big file from like Raspbian. And the NOOBS OS comes with Raspbian, so you don't need a adapter to do this. So we're gonna download NOOBS in this video, and in the next video we're gonna download Raspbian and we're gonna boot up the NOOBS OS. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And let's get started on downloading the NOOBS OS. So first thing you want to do is you want to plug this in to your computer. If you have an micro SD card slot, just plug in the small micro SD card. Or if you need an adapter, you can buy one. And I recommend you need at least an 8GB card. I'm gonna use a 32GB, but an 8GB should work fine. So guys, after you plug this in, we're gonna be ready, and so guys, let's go over to the computer. So I inserted my SD card into my laptop. So now we can get started on downloading the OS. So first we have to format the SD card so that there's nothing on it. So here is my SD card I plugged in. So right click on it, and then just click on format, and then click on start, and the format's done. So this means that there's nothing on the there's nothing on the SD card. So before we download it, there has to be nothing on the SD card. Now let's go download the NOOBS the NOOBS file. So first go to the Raspberry Pi website. And over here go to the downloads. And here is Raspbian and NOOBS. We're gonna download NOOBS, but inside NOOBS we're gonna download Raspbian from NOOBS. Download it here, or use NOOBS easy install. But here is all of the stuff, and we want to install so NOOBS Lite is the smaller file, and NOOBS it already contains these two. Selection of alternative operating systems. So if you have a Wi-Fi adapter, you can install more OSs. Then we want to install Raspbian without an internet adapter. So we're just going to download the NOOBS instead of the NOOBS Lite. Download the zip. And it is a pretty big file. Not as big as Raspbian if you're trying to download that. But I'm just going to skip through this because it will take a long time. And yeah. guys, it's done installing. So I'm just gonna open it with Windows Explorer. And this is all the stuff your Raspberry Pi needs to boot up. If you accidentally pressed the Raspbian instead of NOOBS, you will notice that Raspbian only has one file, an IMG file, and if you actually paste that IMG file into the SD card, it will not work. That is one reason I like NOOBS better, because you can just copy and paste it. If you try to download Raspbian from the website, you will need to extract the file again, because it's compressed so that you'll be able to download it in a lower file size. So anyways, we can just copy and paste this inside the SD card. So guys, this will take around 5-10 minutes, depending upon your computer speed. I'm just gonna skip it again, and then yeah. So guys, it's ready, and it's downloaded onto the SD card. And in the next video, I'm gonna try to boot up the Raspberry Pi and download the Raspbian onto the Raspberry Pi. Now, this is basically it. You don't need to change any of this stuff. Even if you make a really small change to any of this stuff, you have a really high chance of the Raspberry Pi not booting up. So don't change any of this stuff. All you need to do is right-click on the SD card and do eject. And it will say safe to remove hardware. Now you can remove the SD card from your PC or laptop and put it in your Raspberry Pi. And guys, in the next video, we'll boot up the Raspberry Pi, and yeah. So guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.